Welcome back, graduates. All right, so today I kind of want to give you a sneak peek to show you that we are actively working on Ecomify 3.1. So if you would like, you can always check out our documentation. Just make sure that you are on the correct accordion version of it, 3.1 and higher. Scrolling down to change logs, this is what you're going to be seeing for 3.1 so far to be announced. These are the new changes, these are the enhancements, and these are the fixes for it. So one of the things I wanted to show you was in the theme editor. We do have a age check now, age verification in the theme, so you do not need your age verification app anymore for this. You do have settings for changing the minimum age, days to wait, meaning that if a customer goes back on, they will have to verify depending on what timestamp you choose. Then you have the title, and then also please confirm in the button here. So we do have that as well. So I'm just going to go in and I'm going to enter my date. Now you guys know my date for this. So in the theme editor, you can set it, but outside of the theme editor, it's going to look, it's going to actually be locked until you put in the correct date as well. So going into here, so that's the age verification. What I'm going to show you now is going into the products here. Based on the changelog, we have an upgrade subscription to the cart. So that means that if you do have a subscription product, and I will see if this actually works on in the theme editor. A lot of times, if you see something that doesn't work in the theme editor, but you have the setting for it, please make sure to view outside of the theme editor and in a preview state for this. So I'm in the theme editor right now, and I do have a subscription option here, active. I'm going to view this right over here, going to this product. If you have a subscription, what we did was we gave you the option to upgrade it. So right over here, you can upgrade to whatever, and there you go. So now it upgraded, and we want to give this option. We haven't seen any themes really give you that subscription option in the cart as well, because we really wanted to push subscriptions for you guys. Subscriptions and recurring payment is huge. So we want to give you guys that option. Next is the collection banner set. So this is a really cool one. So if I'm going to go to a collection right over here and scrolling here, I'm going to see after wherever you choose. Actually, we gave you that setting to choose a placement of it, but you can choose an image, a call to action, a heading right in between and embedded into wherever you want in the collection. We've seen this on really big brands, so we wanted to put that in Ecomify for you guys. This is 3.1 and ongoing for this. And now we also have it where you can choose a different image for mobile or desktop as well. So it doesn't just have to be the same, and you can choose different placements as well. The next thing we have is the video option for the FAQs. So if I go to pages, FAQ, I'm going to see that you do have the option to put in a YouTube video in any of these sections. This just means that there's no link to it, but wanted to show you about that. Some enhancements that we did was just created for SVGs, the sticky add to cart, quantity selector, a section that we've previously had, which is the quantity breaks. We have now, when you go to the product here, just go to a product, and now we do have a nice styling that you can choose more for the, if you have the quantity breaks enabled, you do have the option to have it be a bit more styled like this, and also choose which one you want to list as the most popular. Then we have option to disable login information. I know a lot of you guys had asked on here, how do we remove that login information? How do we keep it? Well, in the navigation right over here, scrolling down, you'll have the option login options, show login options right over there. Show login options or don't show login options. So that's great. Then we have we did some fixes on the purchase options, image orientation, images on the carousel should adapt to the settings. So a lot of you guys with the carousel, it is a tricky section, but now we do have in the carousel adapt for in each of the blocks, adapt to the actual sizing of it. So that should be a setting somewhere. There's a lot of settings now that we've created and enhancements for it. But you guys can see that once you get 3.1, and then we have helped have helper text for clear understanding of how swatches work, meaning that when you go into here and under various, right over here, it had said, oh, please put in the option names, right over here, option names. But what we're saying is you don't put in the actual color swatch names, like you don't put red, green, yellow, blue. What we put, which we've clarified here, what you put is the option name that you created for that variant. So what that means is if you go into the back end here, products, and going into this product here, you're not putting in black, gray, pink, red, or green. You're putting in the color, the name of that variant. So it's a name. So some people have it COLOR, some people have it whatever else they want, but you're putting in the variant name of it, not the variant color swatch names. That's about all right now for sneak peek, but we are actively working on it. Thank you so much, guys. We love that you love Ecomify. Please, if you have any other suggestions, you can go to Ecom Graduates and here and submit a suggestion for us. And if you do have Black Friday, or if you do have Ecomify, you're gonna get 3.1 just like that. If you don't have Ecomify, if you're not on Ecomify, you're definitely gonna want to, because we have new and really big ideas coming out for 2024 for Ecomify. Thank you.